How can I troubleshoot Audio Return Channel (ARC) issues on my TV?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to delve into an important issue that you may face with your television's audio setup: troubleshooting Audio Return Channel or ARC issues. ARC is a crucial feature that allows audio to be sent from your TV to your soundbar or receiver, all via a single HDMI cable, simplifying your home theater setup. Let's get started.
What is Audio Return Channel (ARC)?
Audio Return Channel or ARC is a feature available in HDMI devices that simplifies your audio system setup. It allows audio to be sent both ways, from your TV to your sound system and vice versa, using a single HDMI cable. When it's working correctly, it's fantastic, but when it's not, it can cause some frustrating problems.
Common ARC problems.
Some common ARC problems include sound not playing through your sound system, audio delay or lip sync issues, and inconsistent or fluctuating audio levels. If you're experiencing any of these, the first step is to make sure ARC is enabled and set up correctly on your devices.
How to check ARC settings.
To check your ARC settings, head into the sound or audio settings on your TV and look for the HDMI ARC option. This could be under various submenus, depending on the brand and model of your TV. Make sure that ARC is enabled. Repeat this process for your sound system or receiver as well.
How to check your HDMI cable.
The next step is to check your HDMI cable. Not all HDMI cables support the ARC feature. Make sure that you're using an HDMI cable that does, ideally an HDMI cable 1.4 or later.
Resetting your devices.
If you've checked all of the above and are still experiencing issues, resetting your devices may help. Power down your TV and sound system, unplug them, and leave them off for a few minutes before powering back up. This can often resolve any ARC-related issues.
Checking for firmware updates.
Lastly, check for firmware updates. It's possible that a software update could fix your ARC issues. Check the manufacturer's website or the settings menu on your TV and sound system for any available firmware updates. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting any ARC issues you're experiencing with your TV. Remember, ARC is a great feature that can simplify your audio setup, but like any technology, issues can arise. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and resolve the problem. Thanks for watching, and here's to better sound for your favorite shows and movies.